time that 9 years is too long. But with the love of the Lord Jesus and His grace, nandito pa kayo at nagpapatuloy. And you're gonna be entering another step, another milestone sa buhay niyong dalawa.
Paano ba nag-start? Sabi niya kasi ako daw yung unang nag-add sa kanya sa Facebook, pero hindi.
Ayun, in-add ko siya sa Facebook. Facebook Messenger yan. Messenger pa lang eh. Parang 2014 yata yun. Doon ako nag-start na ligawan siya.
Grace, do you take Tessa to be your lawfully wedded wife? And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love her, to comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep her as long as you both shall live? Do you?
Mimi, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil nakilala kita. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil tinulungan mo akong magbago. Well, hindi mo naman sinadya talaga, pero natuto ako. Kumbaga, nakita ko sa'yo na ito ang gawin mo, pero hindi mo inuutos na gawin ko. Kusa akong ginawa ng walang kapalit dahil mahal nga kita.
Isa ka lang sa buhay ko, sinta. Tingin mo sana ang aking nararamdaman. Maghihintay ako. Madarama mo.
Hi Dada, you are the love of my life. I'm so grateful for this day and for you. I can't wait to celebrate our I can't wait to celebrate our marriage and our future. Love you. Salamat sa nagbigay na to sa mahal na mahal ko at soon to be my wife.
Nakita namin how we grow together, how we face yung challenges together, na it's not always me, it's not always him, but yeah, we work together para makarating dun sa 9 years.
Matagal na sigurong taon na sabi ko, siya na kaya? Siya na ba yung the one? So, ayun, pinagdasal ko kay Lord na sabi, kung siya na yung ibibigay mo, handa na ako, ready na.
Huwag ka nang mangangamba, andito ako. Ngayon, ikaw lang at ako. Mula ngayon,
And Tessa, do you take Chris to be your lawfully wedded husband? And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love him, comfort him, honor, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep him only as long as you both shall live? Do you promise? Sabihin mo sa kanya kung saan. Yes,
walang ibang mamahalin, ikaw lang.
Ito na talaga yun. Ito na talaga yung inaantay natin. Ang makasal at makasama ka pang habang buhay. Maraming salamat, Mimi ko. I love you.